Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows have no sound. How are you going to fix it? Today's video I will go to show you. So first we will go for the basic. You just need to come over into your taskbar over here called the search menu. You click on that, and if you're facing that this unmute over here icon over here, you can see that if you just click on it, it will be unmuted and you can now get the sound if you want. It's a very basic thing. If it fixes on this solution, then congratulations. If it's not, then simply come over into your search option over here and going to search for control panel. Click on control panel. After that, if you get this kind of interface over here, what you can do, just simply come over into view by, click on the category and click on search icons. If you click on that, you will get bunch of options over here. After that, you just need to go for sounds, click on that, and then you will get the sound windows over here. And we will now going to minimize the control panel and we will completely focus on this sound section. You can see my headphones are providing the sounds. For that, if you select your headphones and then click on properties, it will open the headphones properties over here. After that, you just need to go for enhancement option and then click on this disable on enhancement, click apply, click OK. And I hope this problem will solve your problem. If it's not yet, then simply come over search option another time. I'm going to search for services, click on it. And it will open the services interface over here. And from here, you just need to find out Windows Audio. And then we will going to find out Windows Audio over here. You can see it's running. Also, you will get Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. So now we will going for the Windows Audio. Click on the right mouse button and then go for the properties section. From here, in your startup, make sure you selected automatic. If it's stop, then click on start, click apply and click OK. And I hope your problem will be solved. If it's not yet, then simply come over into your search option. I'm going to search for device manager. We'll get it over here, click on that. It will open your device manager, and from here you need to come over into sounds, video and game controller options. Open it and then you will get two drivers over here. Select any of your drivers, click on the right mouse button and then go for update driver. If you click on that, then you just need to select browse my computer for drivers. If you click on that, then you just need to select let me pick list and then select your driver, click next. Click yes for the permission.